Okay guys, today I have some absolutely exclusive and insanely exciting news for all of you out here, especially those who love Bluetooth speakers. Now we all love Bluetooth speakers, and I personally, after so many years of reviewing so many of them, I personally own a ton of them. And although I am excited to review the latest launches from Bluetooth speakers, I'm always feeling that these are very small tweaks, nothing major, and most of the time these are just rebrands of something that's already out there. But finally, a wish of mine and probably many others has finally come true. So two of our most famous and favorite brands, boAt and JBL, that's right, they have collaborated together to bring us this. This is the LIRPA TS10. It's a Bluetooth speaker. Now, I can't reveal everything about this. As I said, it's exclusive. The embargo hasn't been lifted. So I am only allowed to talk about few of the specs and features. And of course, I'm going to talk about what makes this insane. And as an exclusive, at the end of this episode, you are also going to get a sound test. That's right. While I can't show you the speaker in its full glory, I can give you the sound test. So make sure you stick around for that. Let me just tell you that this has the highest battery capacity, the latest specs. It's got the loudest output that I've heard, and it comes at an incredibly good price. So the LIRPA TS10, yes, that is kind of a weird name, but trust me, when I heard it and when I am seeing the speaker in all its glory, you are going to get along just fine every year with this name. Okay, spec number one. The LIRPA TS10 has an output of 200 watt RMS. That's right, 200 watts of RMS output. And it is absolutely insane, the quality it maintains even at max volume, and the loudness is deafening. Spec number two, Bluetooth version 5.3. So okay, nothing too fancy about that. But here comes spec number three, the battery capacity. So this packs a 15,000 milliamp hour battery that gives you 24 hours of continuous playback on a single charge at 100% volume. None of that 50% volume crap. At 100% volume, imagine 200 watts of output for 24 hours continuously. So I don't think you'll be allowed to do that, but you can. Of course, it's also IP68 dust and waterproof, so you can literally submerge it in water, take it to your pool parties, no issues whatsoever. Now, here is one insane feature. So because it's a collaboration between boAt and JBL, the LIRPA TS10 can be paired to any boAt or any JBL speaker. So you can pair this with a boAt Stone 1800 or a boAt Stone 1500 or a JBL Extreme or a JBL Charge 5, whatever you have, it's going to pair it and you're going to get true wireless stereo. It also has inbuilt Wi-Fi to get that lossless audio quality as well, and it supports codecs like aptX HD and AAC, and it's got you covered. It also got some other specs which, like I said, I can't mention, but from all of these that I mentioned, this is absolutely going to shake the Bluetooth speaker scenario right now, the industry. This is going to be insane. But wait, let me talk about the price. When I spoke to the brands and when they were briefing me about this speaker, and they told me to guess, what do you think the price is going to be? So after listening to all the features, I was guessing it's going to be comfortably over 25,000 rupees. And it should. 200 watts of output, and with all the insane features, the battery life. Do you know what this is going to launch for? You're going to get the LIRPA TS10 for 8,999. For 9,000 rupees, you're going to get this speaker. This is the launch price, by the way. Later on, they might increase it. So maybe the first 100 are going to get this insanity. So as soon as they give me the date and they let me know about more, I will let you guys know. But as of now, let me just say that this speaker is absolutely going to revolutionize Bluetooth speakers. And I've compared it to some bigger speakers and it's absolutely obliterated them in every aspect, whether it's the build quality, whether it's the audio quality, whether it's battery life, the specs, everything. And it is insane how they're able to do it for such a low price. Well, that's for them to figure out. For me, for us consumers, it's a dream come true. All right, enough said. Now you're going to get my signature sound test, where I'm going to play this not at 100% volume. I'm going to keep it to around 50%. You guys listen to it and really feel the audio quality. I'll try and play maybe 2 tracks. So again, I have to keep it pixelated or, kind of blurred because I can't show it right now. The embargo is still on. But listen to the sound test and experience it for yourselves. So that's been it, guys. The exclusive news, the LIRPA TS10 portable Bluetooth speaker, a collaboration between JBL and boAt. Wow, I'm just so excited to share this with you. So thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed this, please smash the like button, share this video with someone who wants to see this, and you can make their day more fun. And as always, I'll catch you guys very soon with the next one. Enjoy the sound test. Cheers.